Thanks, guys. I am extremely excited to share Searchie Copilot with you today and show you how you can access it right inside of your content library. Go ahead and find that video you want to interact with Copilot on. I've got this incredible video tutorial from our boy Tyler from the YouTube page here. I'm going to click on the Copilot option in the drop down here. And then we can see some default prompts that we've provided to help you get maybe started, get the juices flowing when it comes to the types of questions you can ask Copilot. But I'm actually going to go down to the bottom here and type in what we refer to as a open world or open-ended question, something that maybe is specific to your use case or your business. In this case, I want Copilot to write me a short email that I can use to promote this video to my audience. And let's see how Copilot does with this task. This is live. This is, you can see it's live. I put a spelling mistake in the third word there. But as Copilot starts processing that prompt, it provides us with that email. And even with that live spelling mistake on my end there, you can see the magic that Copilot provides, giving us a great email that we can then ship off to our audience. Perhaps you want Copilot to write you a few tweets. Write me 3 tweets about this content. Get in the Twitter, or I guess X world on notice for your new video. And there you go. There's Copilot providing that content. You can easily copy and paste these answers, copy that answer to your clipboard, and then Control V or Command V that response out there. All right, thanks for watching.